Hi, 你好, Chef Tom. We are making lobster tail today. I'm going to show you. Well, preheat your skillet, medium-high heat. And here we got some fresh garlic. Nothing tastes better than the fresh garlic. Get them a quickly chop. And we add some extra virgin olive oil. And we're gonna infuse the garlic. Here I got some red onion. Like this. There we go. Cook it together. We want the oil to have a nice flavor. So we're going to cook this oil down for a couple minutes. Oh, smell amazing. Here we got this two beautiful lobster tail. Huh? Very fresh. Got lots of meat, look. Put it in together. Use your cleaver or your knife. Give it a nice tap. Give them a quick stir. A lot of the recipe they tell you to fry the lobster first, and maybe coating with some cornstarch. This is not a very big lobster tail. We can just stir fry without skip the frying part step. And what I do is, how can you tell the lobster tail is cooked through and delicious? Is the meat easy to fall off, to come out. I just add some water. And I crank up the heat. What I'm going to do is I'm using the steam and the stir-fry method to evaporate, you see, the water, actually to cook the lobster thoroughly. That'll take about a few minutes. While the lobster is still cooking, we're not wasting any more time. Look, the sauce almost evaporates, dry. Some hot sauce. This is one of my favorite ingredients, turmeric. Anti-inflammatory, so good for you. Add some turmeric in, and salt, pepper. Give them a see. Now the lobster looks so good and delicious, and the waters evaporate. Sesame oil. Smell amazing. Your lobster tail is done in 10 minutes. The best way to eat this is while they're still smoking hot. I will take the whole thing and put it in your mouth and suck up all the juice and the flavor from the shell. That's good. And then you simply just take out the meat. Nice and clean. That's how you eat the lobster at home. Simple, easy to make. So delicious. I hope you like the video. I'm Chef Tom. Thank you for watching. I see you next time. Bye.